everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you important functions of string. So let's start. First one is removing spaces from string. So we have these three functions in this topic, that is removing spaces from string. So R strip function. So what this function will do? It will remove spaces at right hand side. L strip function will remove spaces at left hand side. Similarly, this one function, that is strip, will remove spaces both sides. Now we will see changing case of string. We can change case of string by using following 5 methods. First one is upper. Now what this function will do? It will convert all characters to uppercase. Now second one, lower function. What it will do? It will convert all characters to lowercase. Now the third one, that is swap case. Now what this function will do? It will convert all lowercase characters to uppercase and all uppercase characters to lowercase. Now fourth one, title function. What it will do? To convert all characters to title case. That is, first character in every word should be uppercase and all remaining characters should be in lowercase. Now fifth one method, that is capitalize. Now what this function will do? Only first character will be converted to uppercase and all remaining characters can be converted to lowercase. Now we have one example based on these functions. S equals to learning C is very easy. Print S dot upper. So what will be the output in this case? It will convert all the letters of this string in upper characters. Print S dot lower will convert all these characters into lower characters. Print S dot swap case will swap the characters. It means it will convert the lowercase letters into uppercase and vice versa. Print S dot title, it will give us the first letter as capital. For example, over here, this L will be capital, this C will be capital, this I will be capital, this V will be capital, and this E will be capital, and remaining all letters will be in small alphabets. Print S dot capitalize, what it will do? It will give us only first letter, that is L in this case, as capital, and remaining all will be lowercase letters or small alphabets. See, this is the output, and this output is already discussed with you. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. You can see the same output as discussed with you. Now we will see this topic, that is to check type of characters present in a string. Is alphanumerical function will returns true if all characters are alphanumeric, that is small alphabets A to Z, capital alphabets A to Z, 0 to 9. The second function is alphabet returns true if all characters are only alphabet symbols, that is small a to z, capital A to capital Z. The third function is digit returns true if all the characters are digits only, that is 0 to 9. The fourth function is lower function returns true if all the characters are lowercase alphabet symbols. The fifth function, that is upper, returns true if all the characters are uppercase alphabet symbols. The sixth function is title, returns true if a string is in title case. Now we will see next function, that is find function. S dot find of substring. Now what this function will do? Returns index of first occurrence of the given substring. If it is not available, then we will get -1. For example, S equals to learning C is very easy. Print of S dot find of C. So what will be the output in this case? It will find the letter C in the string S, that is this one. Now the letter C is present at index number 9. If you will count from here, from 0 onwards, you will find the position of C at index 9. Similarly, print of S dot find of Python, as you can see that the Python is not present in this string, so it will give us output as -1. Now finally, print of S dot find of R, it will find R in this string. Now you can see the position of this R at index number 3, as it will start from 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So the output in this case, that will be 3. Now S dot find of substring, comma, begin, comma, end. Now what it will do? It will always search from begin index to end -1 index. So S dot find of substring will find this substring from the specified index begin to end -1. For example, y equals to this string, print of y dot find of a, 7, 15. It will find the string a, and here the begin index is 7 and the end index is 15. So this function will find the string a from index number 7 to index number 14. Now here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the letter present at index 7, that is V. So it will search from index number 7. So from index number 7 onwards, it will find index A at position 10. So the output of this statement, that is 10. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same programs over here. This one is the first program and this one is the second program. I will just run these programs. Click on run button. Now you can see the same output as discussed with you. For this print statement, we have output as 9. For this print statement, we have output as -1. For this print statement, we have output as 3. And finally, for this print statement, we have output as 10. Now we will see next function, that is count function. S dot count of substring, what it will do? It will search throughout the string. Now S dot count of substring, comma, begin, comma, end. Now what it will do? It will search from begin index, that is this one, to end -1 index. For example, in S we have this one string. Print of S dot count of A will count A in this string. See, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times. So the output of this statement will be 6. Print of s dot count of a comma 3 comma 7. It will count the letter a and will start from index 3 to index 7 minus 1, that is index number 6. So index 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will count from here till index 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 times a only. So the output of this statement is 2. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Now you can see the same output as discussed with you. For this print statement, we have output as 6, and for this print statement, we have output as 2. Now we have replace function. S dot replace all string comma new string. Now what this function will do? To replace old string with a new string. For example, s equals to learning C is very difficult. S1 equals to s dot replace difficult comma easy. So what this statement will do? It will replace the word difficult with easy in S string and will store the result in S1. So print of S1, what will be the output? That is learning C is very. Now difficult is replaced with easy. So final output is learning C is very easy. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on the run button. Now you can see the same output as discussed with you. That is learning C is very easy. Now we will see this function, that is a split function. Split of separator. Now what this function will do? We can split the given string according to the specified separator by using split method. The default separator is space. If we will not specify the separator, so by default it will take as space. The return type of split method is list. Now we have example 1, s equals to Arman software. So L equals to s dot split. So what this method will do? It will split the string Arman software in Arman and software, because here we have not defined separator. By default it will take space as a separator. Now what will be the output of this for loop? For x in L. So in L we have Arman and software. So print x will print Arman on one line and software on second line. So the output is Arman software. Now similarly example 2, s equals to 21-04. So L equals to s dot split, and here the separator is dash. So in L we will be having 21 and then after 04. Now what this for loop will do? For x in L, print x, it will print two values, 21 on one line and 04 on second line. So the output is 2104. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same programs over here. This one is the first one and this one is the second one. Here the separator is not defined and here the separator is defined. Now I will just run this program. Click on the run button. Now you can see the same output as discussed with you. For this program we have output as Arman software, and for this program we have output as 2104. So in today's lecture we have seen the important functions of string, and we have seen various examples based on these important functions. Thank you for watching this video.